Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan Depaul here. So today in this video, what we're going to be going over is SMS marketing and how you can do it and simplify it to the next level, I guess. I'm going to be showing you how to do this with Nowsite Marketing and how their newest feature, SMS marketing, has really just upped the game and just made everything so much efficient and effective, more than it has been, I guess. So I'm going to show you this, so stay tuned. Don't leave. You don't want to miss this because this is going to be awesome. Yes, I'm down here this time because I have to move the my webcam recording of my screen lower so you guys can see everything. So we're going to dive right into this one, and I'm going to just start talking about the SMS marketing for Nowsite marketing platform that has it's all-in-one online marketing platform. I've gone through multiple different features that they offer, but we'll be talking about SMS marketing on this one. So I'm actually on their the back office Nowsite marketing back office, and I'm going to click on SMS. I'm already on it right now, so I'll just double click on it again. So I've been testing things. I've even had corporate test some things for me too to make sure that stuff is coming through properly. So I'm going to show you guys what you guys can do. What is all included with the SMS marketing plan for Nowsite marketing. All right, so you have it's pretty basic. SMS says SMS right there, has settings, SMS message, send SMS message. Those are your campaign or broadcast. You can have chat, so you actually can go back and forth with people who you send a drip campaign or a broadcast to, and actually go back and forth and chat back and forth with them. I'll show you what I'm talking about. It's like this. So I'm going to blur out the pictures, the numbers, just for what privacy matters. So go from there. So we'll start from the settings section. So settings is pretty cool. I mean, it's just basically what it is. You know, right here, this is my number that I have. My own personal SMS number is not my cell phone number, but it's attached to my back office. This is only available on desktop, computer, whatever you want to call it. If you have Mac, I think still the same thing, a computer. So this, you'll actually get a number assigned to you. You can pick your area code. That's nice. I live in a 209 area code. My phone number is actually a 925 area code. So my actual cell phone number is 925 area code from my last county that I stayed in when I first got my cell phone. But I actually chose a 209 area code just for the fact that I live in a 209 area. Doesn't really matter. I mean, I can text anywhere I want throughout the world that allows SMS marketing. So that's what's nice about that. Whoever opts into it, you can, or number you have, you can actually text it to them. Rates do apply. So, I mean, but this is actually going to be included in my package. So this is my SMS marketing number. What else? And this right here, you can actually reserve your keywords. So I'm able to reserve up to 10 keywords, but the regular package is only able to reserve, I think it's 5. Is it 3 or 5? But I was able to reserve 10 because I got in on an early promotion. They had a promotion where if you bought Live, Nowsite Marketing and Nowsite Live, you got to reserve 10 keywords. And also you got 1,000 SMS marketing texts. So that's what's cool. I actually jumped on that. I was like, hey, that's a great deal, because to get that and to be able to do that, it's so cool. So I use Live too as well. So it just made sense to me. As you can see, you can actually track how many you've used for the month. Right here, SMS used this month. I did 51. A lot of them were tests just to make sure everything is going through. Account limit is 1,000. It resets every month. That's a nice thing about that. It just resets, boom, and you're good to go. I don't know if it's a rolling reset, so I will find out more about that, and I'll update probably in the chat when I find out about that, but it's okay. 1,000 is more than enough for me. You get 250 with the regular bundle. I believe you can buy more. I think it's the price is like, I think it's 3 cents, 3 to 5 cents for the U.S. and 9 cents. North America is 3 to 5 cents, and international, anywhere else around the world, is 9 cents, I believe. Don't quote me on that because it can change. Depends on how old this video is and when you're watching it. So next we have send SMS. So this is where you can create your broadcast. I actually did one right here. This because they had the beta for this out around Cyber Monday, November. I created something right here and it actually sends it. So you have up to 160 characters that you can actually input for a message to create. And so if you can't get your message across with 160 characters, I don't tell you. And yes, space counts as a character. So you want to get your point across, not have a novel, but something direct, catchy, and boom. And you can put links inside of it. It works too. So you actually have different lists you can use. You can actually create a list that will, say you have a list of numbers that you want that you've obtained from just marketing and capturing people's information from forums. You can actually create a list, and you can actually do that and then submit it, and boom, you can actually SMS blast your list to different messages and updates, all stuff like that. I mean, if you're food, like a restaurant, you can do specials, a food truck, hey, we're going to be over this place, people's messages like that. It's a great tool, guys. I'm telling you right now, the possibilities of this is just constantly gets better and better and better, and just non-stop. There's so much potential. Not even potential, I wouldn't say potential. There's so much more actually effectiveness when it comes to SMS, because they say 96% people is 96% open rate. I think 96 or 98% open rate for people on their text, their cell phones. They'll open it and look at it more than a email. Email marketing has its place, but this is like a higher open rate, so you know that people are getting your your message. So that's what's cool about that. You can actually do individuals right here. Send individual. I can actually send an individual number. Say that somebody wasn't on my list that I had already in the system, or that I obtained, and somebody just gave it to me. I got a new list. I can actually send a individual message to that number, or just that one number I can send a message to without sending everybody else that whole message. So this is the broadcast name. Cyber Monday ends tonight. That was Cyber Monday. So yeah, pretty cool. And you just create your message right here, hit save, exit, comes back out to here. Then you have the chat. Chat is nice because you actually can correspond back and forth with people you have messaged. So this is the first number is me. I don't mind showing my number because hey, it's my number. So this right here actually I was testing stuff, and it worked one time, and we was just checking out some stuff, and now it's working great. Like I said, I don't bring anything to you guys that doesn't work because I wouldn't promote or advertise something that didn't work. So I was testing it, and now it's working out and great. So this is today is working good. Back and forth. I can actually in real time watch this. This is my cell phone. I'm going to show you guys in real time. I can go ahead and say, hey, this is live. This is live. Let's see if this works. We'll come back to it. Boom, there we go. See? Hey, this is live. So it's back and forth. You gotta refresh it, and it's nice. That's what I wrote. That's literally what I wrote on my cell phone. Hey, this is live. So, amazing tool. So if somebody gets your message, you can actually go, hey, back and forth. And you can correspond with them. Unlike some other text SMS systems, you can't do that. But this one, you can actually correspond with people and say, hey, get them all the information they need to, whatever about your email blast, about your SMS blast, and it's so nice. So that's a great feature right there in itself. You can do emojis. It's nice. It's not just bland, so you can actually do emojis. And it's just a great feature, guys. So I wanted to share that with you guys. So that's what the text on the SMS marketing. So that is just so cool. I mean, and the fact that some platforms that does SMS, this right here, the keywords, the fact that you get your own number means that you don't have to compete for other keywords. You can just, like, whoever has CBD, great. I don't have to worry about them. But because I have the number, hey, everyone, I still can send this to everyone that they text CBD for more information about whole flower fluid. Who knows? You know, whatever. Or marketing, text marketing for information about Nowsite, on how to market all in one platform with SMS and newly added. So just things like that, guys. It's just going to make things so much efficient, easier, and great. So I would highly recommend that you don't wait around. And if you're seeing this right now, today is December 15th. Jump on this, because right now Nowsite is doing a special promotion. You're getting the entrepreneur package that's usually $87 for $43.50, and you don't want to miss on that, because once it's gone, it's gone. But you get locked in at that price for life. But you need a promotion. There's a promo code, and I'm not giving that to you right now. You guys have to contact me so to get that, because it's exclusive. So once that ends the 31st of December. So you don't want to miss out on that opportunity. It's going to be great. And yeah, so let me know, guys. So hopefully you get some value from this video. And also, do me a favor. If this is your first time checking out one of my videos, go ahead and hit that big red button below. And right next to it is a little bell. Click that bell. Anytime I put out any information, YouTube will send you a notification saying, hey, Ryan Depaul just put a new video out. You like this last one? You got some value from it. You might want to check out this one. So, yep, click that bell and hit all, and you'll get all my notifications from YouTube. So with that, guys, hopefully you get some value from this one. Feel free to give me some likes, loves, some comments below. If you have any concerns or comments, please put those below. My number is in the description below as well. My direct number that you saw me using and just demonstrating this SMS marketing platform with, that's my direct number. Please give me a shout out and let me know if you have any questions or concerns. If you want to get that promo code, please hit me up too. We'll get you going on that one too. And with that said, you guys take care, be safe, and be blessed.